we have this index here in the data frame. Let's say you want to reset it back to the default range index, which was 0 to n minus 1 for n rows in a data frame. So if you have n rows in a data frame, the default range index will go from 0 to n minus 1. So the way to do this, we have a method for this. You can use reset index, start typing and press tab. And if you check the signature here, we have a level argument, and then we have drop, in place, and some other arguments given here. Level is used for multi-index data frames, that is when a data frame has more than one row index. Next, pass the argument drop as true if you don't want to retain the original index which is inserted in the data frame as a column. By default it is given as false, and in place is used to make permanent changes to the data frame. By default it is given as false so that we don't accidentally change the data frame and lose data. But if you want your changes to be permanent, then you can pass in place as true. So let's run this and see what happened. So this is now a range index. So our index got converted as 0 to 4 for 5 rows, and the original index which we had, that got transferred over to the data frame as a column. If you use drop is equal to true, then it will simply drop this index here. So it will return just the original columns, and the index will get converted from the levels into a range index. Now if you check the df again, it has retained the original levels here. Had we use in place argument and return true for that, then this will be dropped for real, and if we try to use df again, we will get this data frame.